in Green Bay. We see the archetype line squall. Reduced sail preemptively, prudently, out of respect for the power of the line squall. It's in little clips, so it's really crude editing. You can see the line on the water coming towards us real quick like. That low cloud right over there. It's getting sucked. What are
we gonna do? I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the storm blows. You know? I don't know.
First thing you're going to do is get wet. Yeah, but that sail's going below us. Storm chasers!
Yeah, that's what I feel like
we slowed down so the storm could hit us. This wind just shifted. I can't do anything. You can't change the wind, but you can adjust your sails. Yeah, we can adjust the sails though. 3 miles off Menominee and Marinette, the island could be our best hope for shelter. Plenty of sea room. Off the lee shores of Seagull Bar. Ominous over there. A serious and real line squall anticipated by the adventurers of Door County. It's a Leopleurodon of Green Island. The captain wisely chose to stay offshore and not try and enter harbor in conditions. Tales of this line squall, the teeth, these fangs, these demon fangs from the black side now. big the line is. Yeah. Perhaps under that. I believe a main alone will be sufficient. Been consumed by the monster. Enough sun to dry off the sails before we get to Menominee. Ah, the coastline squall ecstasy. The 180-degree wind shift.
We're almost as tall as you.
What do you think about ambivalence?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
Hard to say.
It's hard to say. I just don't know how I feel about the topic.
I'm sort of indifferent.
Yeah, I'm kind of confused myself.